Justice, what do we have on the table?
All right. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
13 what?
13 sixes.
Sixths.
Six.
It's hard to say sixths. So we're trying to figure out, and I like how you turned your tiles upside down. That way we can really think about the fraction relationship. How many sixths? This is one whole. Okay, Justice? How many sixths do you think it will take to make one whole? How many do you think?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You think 6? Like that? Okay. So if I have 13 sixths, I can make one whole, right? Do you think I can make another whole?
No.
Look and see, do you have, how many sixths make one whole?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Is that enough? Oh, how many holes were we able to make?
2.
And how many sixths were left over?
1.
Okay, so you ready to learn something new? Let me grab my dry erase marker. Okay, so we're going to write this 2 ways, okay? You said today you learned about improper fractions, right? So the improper fraction is what for this model?
Sixes.
How many sixths?
There is 2 sixes.
How many sixths are here?
There are 2.
There's 2 holes, right?
2 holes.
But how many sixths were here?
There was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
And then one more would make,
13.
so that's 13 sixths, right? Do you know how to write that as an improper fraction? How would you write that? Okay, do you want to see a way that you can write that differently for the same amount?
Yes.
How many holes did we make?
We made 2.
So write a big 2. That means I have 2 holes. And then next to the 2, we're going to write what fraction is left over. How many sixths is left over?
1.
So we can write 1/6 next to it. 1/6, like a fraction. So this is an improper fraction, and this is a mixed number. You see how it's mixed up with a whole number and a fraction?
Yes.
And they both represent the same amount. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
You like it? Told you you're a math genius, right?
Mixed number. Yeah, I saw it on the paper, like mixed number.
I bet you Miss Garduki's gonna practice that with you next. The big idea that I want you to remember, Justice, is how many sixths make one whole? How many?
Made 2.
How many sixths make one whole?
6.
And if I had fourths, how many fourths do you think would make one whole?
Wait, another 6.
If I had a different size piece, like a fourth, like these yellow pieces, these are fourths. How many fourths do you think would make one whole?
6. Wait. 4.
Oh, 4/4 makes one whole?
Yes.
How many thirds do you think would make one whole?
3.
And how many eighths do you think would make one whole?
8.
That's the big idea with fractions. You're doing awesome, bud.